Very good morning, children. Sairam. How are you all? You all fine? Yes. So I hope you all fine at home. Yes, isn't it? Yes. So today we are going to learn active English. Okay? So chapter number 26. The simple future. Okay? So there are three tenses: past tense, present tense and future tense. Okay, past tense is nothing but the actions that were happened before. Okay, already the action that were happened already. Okay, so present tense is nothing but the actions are happening now. Okay, the actions are happening now. The third one is future tense. Future tense is nothing but the actions that is going to happen. The actions that are going to happen next. So after some time, like, okay, the actions that are going to happen after some time. Okay, these are the three tenses. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn the simple future tense. Okay, for this we are going to use the word going to. Going to. Okay, we are going to use the word going to. Okay, so we are going to look at the picture and answer the questions. Okay, so generally they have asked, what are they going to do? What are they going to do? This is the question. So depending upon the picture, we are going to answer the questions. Okay, so this is the general question. What are they going to do? So depending upon the picture, we are going to write answers. Okay. See the first picture. So there is one boy, isn't it? Standing before pool, swimming pool, isn't it? And they have given the word swim. So how can we write? They have given one example. See, he is going to swim in the sea. So this is not a swimming pool, this is the sea. Okay. So he is going to swim in the sea. Okay, he is going to swim in the sea. So he is going to swim in the sea after some time. So we have written going to. Okay, so he is going to swim in the sea. So like this we are going to write the answers for others. Okay, so look at the second picture. So he is a boy having a ball, isn't it? So what is the word they have given? Play. He dash football. So he is having football and they have given the word clue, play, isn't it? Play. So using this word we are going to fill in the blanks. Okay, how can we write? So he is going to play football. Yes, he is going to play football. Can we write? He is going to play. He is going to play football. Yes, you can copy down in your textbook, children, active English book. he is going to play football. Like that we can write. Okay. So next one. So here is one boy having cycle, isn't it? And they have given the clue word ride. Ride. So using this word we are going to answer. So how can we write? He is going to ride his bicycle. Yes, can we write? So he is going to ride his bicycle. He is going to ride his bicycle. So we have used the words going to. He is going to ride his bicycle. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. So here they have given the picture. Look at the picture. So there is one boy having toothbrush and paste. So here they have given his teeth. And what is the word they have given? Clean. So what we have to write? He is going to clean his teeth. He is going to clean his teeth. Like that we can write, isn't it? So he is going to clean his teeth. He is going to clean his teeth. Yes, have you all understood, children? Yes. So the next one. So it's a picture of bus. And they have given the clue word drive. Isn't it? Drive. So what we have to write? He is going to drive the bus. He is going to drive the bus. So write, he is going to drive the bus. Okay. He is going to drive the bus. Have you all understood, children? Yes. The next one, eat. The next one is eat. So here there is one boy. He is having something in his hand. What is it? Orange. And orange. So they have given the word eat. So what we have to write? He is going to eat an orange. Shall we write? He is going to eat an orange. Okay. He is going to eat an orange. Is it clear, children? Yes. The next one. So there is one girl. She is searching some book, isn't it? And they have given the word read. So what we have to write? She is going to read a book. She is going to read a book. So can we write? She is going to read a book. She is going to read a book. So you can copy down in your book, Active English book. Okay. So the next one, answer. So they have given the word answer, isn't it? So look at the picture. So there is one boy sitting in the class and she is the teacher. Okay, they have given the word answer. So how can we write? He is going to answer the teacher. Okay, so he is going to answer. So he is going to answer the teacher. Okay, he is going to answer the teacher. So like that we can write. So you can copy down in your Active English book. Okay children. So the next one, chapter number 27. Chapter number 27. So in this chapter we are going to answer some questions using the word very. Okay, using the word very. Okay children. So we are going to complete the sentences. Look at the first picture. Is this a big tree? Is this a big tree? The answer is yes, it is. Yes, it is. It is very big. So here we have to write very big. Okay. Is this a big tree? Yes, it is. It is very big. Okay. So like that we are going to answer the other questions. Okay. See the second picture. Question is this a big tree? No, it is not. If no comes, then we have to write not. Okay. No, it is not. It is not very big. It is not very big. Okay. So like that we have to write. Okay children. The third one, ship is there, isn't it? So the question is this a big ship? Yes. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It is very big. Yes, it is. It is very big. Okay. The next one. The next one, look at the picture. What is the picture? The picture of boat, isn't it? So what is the question? Is this a big boat? Is this a big boat? No, isn't it? It is not a big boat. It is a small one, isn't it? So we have to write no, it is not. So no, it is not. No, it is not. It is not very big. It is not very big. No, it is not. It is not very big. Okay. The next one, the picture of shirt. The question is this a dirty shirt? The answer is yes, they have given. So what we have to write? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Full stop. It is very dirty. We have to use the word very, isn't it? So it is very dirty. Yes, it is. It is very dirty. Okay. So similarly, see the next one. There's a picture of shirt, clean shirt, isn't it? So the question is this a dirty shirt? No, isn't it? No. So they have given no. No, it is not. No, it is not. Full stop. It is not very dirty, isn't it? It is not very dirty. Okay. No, it is not. It is not very dirty. Okay. So next one. See the marks. 10 out of 10. So the question is, are these good marks? Are these good marks? Yes. So are these good marks? Yes, isn't it? So here they have given these. So what we have to write? Yes, they are. So yes, they are. Yes, they are. They are very. So we have to use the word very. They are very good. Okay. Yes, they are. They are very good. Okay. Second and last question. Look at the picture. 2 out of 10. So the question is, are these good marks? Are these good marks? No, isn't it? So what we have to write? No, they are not. No, they are not. They are not very good. Isn't it? So write no, they are not. No, they are not. Full stop. They are not good. They are not good. Are these good marks? No, they are not. They are not good. Sorry, very good, isn't it? So we have to write they are not very good. They are not very good. Okay, because we have to use the word very, isn't it? So no, they are not. They are not very good. Have you all understood, children? Have you all understood those 2 chapters? Yes. So you can copy down in your Active English book. Okay, children? Thank you.